Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this spine and hinge set. And before this, I just have an information about the sale that is on AliExpress and Amazon now. So we have a summer sale on AliExpress and all the dies are in discount. So definitely check our AliExpress store. And for Amazon, there are some items that are on sale currently, so I will link both store links in the description box below, so definitely check that. And back to this spine and hinge set. So here is the cutting dies, and you get these pieces to make the spine and these pieces to make the hinges. So like if you want to make the spine, see, these are the two pieces that you need to just put it like so. So if you want to make the spine in this white, so just put it like so and run through the cutting machine to get this piece. And if you want your mini album smaller like so, then you just need to cut this piece out and then do the work to make it like the hinge, like the spine. And these are the pieces. So this one is for this spine, and this medium one is for this spine, and this small one is for this spine. So it has 3 sizes in the set, and I will use this big size as an example. So I also use this one to make the front of the mini album. So this is the small size from the cute mini album set, which is the Disney inspired dies. So this is the die set. I will also link it in the description box below in case you need it. So I use this one, and it also comes with the layering piece for this one. And I have cut this out. So this is the backing piece, and this is the layering piece that has the stitching lines around. So for making this one, if you want to make it like so, then put it on your card and just make sure it line up well. So you could just line your piece well and then line this ruler well. And yeah, let me see. So like this, and then use the tape Okay, I use more tapes in case it's moving. And now, okay. So I will cut this piece out. And run through the machine. So it cut out like this. See here, because I made it just not connected. So yeah, it will like this. And then you just need to trim this off. Okay, so the spine part is ready to go. So this is the way that if you want your mini album to be large enough to put more pages inside, you could make it like this. So you could make it as wider as you want. And also, if you want to, like this time, I only have these pages and I just want to make it, you know, smaller with less pages. So I could just, maybe like I could also use only this piece. Let me see. Okay, I use this piece here. So it looks like this. Okay, I just want it to be like this. And I also need to cut, like I need to score it so it has this emboss, so it has the score line. So yeah, here is the score line. And cut an angle here. I know it looks a little strange because the width is different from for both score line. You could make it the same, but because it will hide in by the mini album page, so yeah, it's okay if the size is different. Okay, now this is the part for this spine part, and so I have cut these two out. This is to make the hinge part. See, here is the score line, so you just need to fold it along these folding lines. See, it will look like so. And now you could put it on your spine. So put glue on the center part and make another one. So see, this spine and hinge part is ready. And now you just need to add your pages on top. Okay, I made this one. So I first glue the layering piece on top. Yeah, I think this smaller size is very cute, you know, to add some embellishment on top. Yeah, I love this one. So just glue this part here. And the reason I choose this big size is because the size is just the perfect size for this mouse ear album. So yeah, it has 3 sizes in the set, so it's good for a lot of use. you could use it for a lot of different frames. Yeah, just depends on what mini album that you want to make. See, it looks like this. So for the back side, I just cut the opposite side of the pattern that I want to glue. Okay, so this part, the glue flap is hide in the pages. So yeah, it will look like this. And let's make a second page. So I made this page in the same pattern paper. So when it opens, it will like this, like a face. So yeah, I just want them to be in the same color. Now add glue at this part. And hold it for a while. And now add glue at this part. So in this way, the hinges can be hide under the pages. So I didn't glue all these pages at the layering pieces first because I just want to hide it. So yeah, it looks like this. Okay, now let's do more pages. Okay, since I only made like this, I need to cut more pages. I need to cut 2 more pages to fill it. So I first finish this piece, the backing piece first. Then I need to cut more pages to fill this album. So yeah, this is how this one is going to be used. See, it opens like so, and then you could add some embellishment inside. It's a very cute size, like so. And yeah, I still need to add 2 more pages here. So this one would be having 6 pages, including the front and back side. So yeah, super simple to do. And if you want to decorate this spine part, just measure this measurement and cut a pattern paper by hand. Yeah, and then yeah, just glue it on top. So the album is finished. So it's super easier to make this spine and hinge part with this die set. So this is the tutorial video for this spine and hinge set, and I will link the link to this one also in the description box below. So also don't forget about the sale on AliExpress and Amazon. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.